If you want to use Circle to search on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, the first thing that you need to do is you need to press and hold your finger on the home button if you use buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures for navigation instead, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar that you have at the bottom of the screen. So if you press and hold your finger for like a second or two, you will activate the Google Circle to search overlay. Now you can tap on a subject, person, object, anything in order to try to search for it. It's going to be used as a reference, and then you get a Google search results over here. What you can also do is you can draw a shape instead. So in this case, if I draw a shape around the subject, then of course the selected area will be used as a reference, and then you can try to get Google search results as well based on the selected area. You can also tap on text over here in order to select a text in order to, for example, search for that text in Google. And also besides that, we have additional tools at the bottom of the screen. So what you can do is you can use this music note button in order to use the search song feature. So if you can hear a song that you want to get the title of, you can use that, and then the phone will try to get that song, and you will get the Google search results with the title of that song, of course with the artist as well. Besides that, we have a screen translation. So if we tap on this translation button in here, then the source language is usually detected. You can of course adjust it in case it is selected incorrectly. And then we can tap on the target language that you want to choose. And as you can see, we have the screen translation. And besides that, if you want to, let's say, enable or disable Circle to search, you can just open settings on your phone. Then over here, we should be able to go to System and Update, then go to System Navigation. And then in here, you can find Circle to search, which can be toggled. Leave a like and subscribe.